drone will get over. Okay, then we'll be having rocket part, which will take like from tomorrow we'll be starting rocket part. So Saturday, Sunday, right? Then Monday and Tuesday. So the final day, you will be having again the like rocket design software will be using. So it will be like this. Okay, fine. Okay, so let's start the class. So let me open the, let me share the presentation. Okay. Now let me ask you one question. Can anybody say that what are the different types of drones? Raise your hand who want to answer.
So what? Repeat the question once again.
Different types of drones. Anua, yes.
The tricopter, quadcopter,
Okay.
pentacopter, hexacopter, octocopter.
And what was that name of that drone which is flying like a bird? Anyone?
Sir,
Sir,
Yes, Navneet.
sir, ornithopter.
Very good. The name of that drone is called ornithopter. The drone which fly like a bird, it's called what? Ornithopter. Okay?
Ornithopter.
I'll just write on the screen. You can write on the spelling. Okay. So it is. I'm writing on the screen. Can you see that? Ornithopter. Okay. Okay. And why you forget? Like you said, first is tricopter. What do you mean by tricopter?
tricopter.
No. What do you mean by tricopter? How you identify the given drone is a tricopter?
So can I?
Yes, Hijba.
So
Yes, Amrit, I'll come to you. Okay. Yes, Hijba.
tricopter has two rotors.
Tricopter have two rotors. See, from the name itself, tri. Tri means what?
Sir,
So
no, it have three, sir.
Three.
It have three.
Then what about two? Anwa forget to mention that, like which having like this two. What is that called?
Sir, bicopter.
You forget that. Okay. Is it clear, guys? Okay. Now next question. Can you list out any three? No, any four. Okay. Four that brain of your drone. Any four brain which are available in the market. Ram, yes. बोलिए. आपका hand raise है. Any four brain. That is also called as flight controller. Can you tell me the name of that?
So
Yes, Amrit.
फर्स्टली इज के बोर्ड जो कि आपने हमें जिसके बारे में हमने कल बताया था, और सेकंड इज आर्डिनो यूनो जो कि ड्रोन्स के साथ साथ बाकी के जो प्रोजेक्ट्स होते हैं उनमें यूज आता है, और एक होता है ऑटो पायलट एपीएम, और एंड
चौथा है
फिक्सावर्क.
आपके स्क्रीन पर भी है ना एक, देखिए.
यस सर.
नाजा DJI auto pilot APM and Pixar. Very good. So these are the some of the motherboard, you can say, brain of like flight controller of drone which used generally in the and available in the market. Okay, good. Okay, so चलिए आगे चलते हैं फिर हम. तो आज के सेशन में हम बात करेंगे कि आपके हाथ में अगर मैंने रिमोट दे दे, इफ आई गिव अ ट्रांसमीटर. सी यहाँ पे हम कौन सा वर्ड यूज करते हैं? रिमोट नहीं यूज करते हैं. क्या यूज करते हैं?
Transmitter.
ठीक है, तो हम वर्ड यूज करते हैं ट्रांसमीटर. ओके, सो चलिए हम आगे चलते हैं. तो कैसे हम कंट्रोल करते हैं ट्रांसमीटर के थ्रू? ठीक है, तो मैं साइड में रख देता हूँ. ओके, सो कंपोनेंट डिस्क्रिप्शन ट्रांसमीटर की. मींस आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट ट्रांसमीटर एंड रिसीवर यस्टरडे. So as I said, your transmitter and receiver you can see in the picture. It like look wise.
Yes,
generally
yes,
the
sir.
people use this one. Okay, generally people use
Yes,
this
sir.
one, which you can see
This
the
one.
picture. There are many, but You see, you will find out many of the drone pilots, they use the display also will be there on this, on the transmitter na remote will be having display, but in this display is not there.
उस पे वो लगाते हैं सब फोन जिससे वो
It is
कंट्रोल
the
करते
cheaper
हैं
one. It is the cheaper. You will get in 2,400 rupees or 3,000 rupees. This transmitter. Actually, I also use the same one. Okay. Now, when you talk about frequency, see the thing is, drone will be flying into the sky and remote will be, your transmitter will be in your hand. So it is wireless. So for that you require a frequency. Okay. Like at what frequency you are going to operate. So this transmitters basically operate on 2.4 gigahertz. 2.4 gigahertz. Okay.
गीगाहर्ट
And the range, like at what distance your drone can fly. It will go 1 kilometer height, 1 kilometer length, and 1 kilometer wide. Okay, that 1 kilometer range it will go. Guys, you can mute yourself.
सर आपकी क्लियर आवाज नहीं आ रही
इसलिए नहीं आ रही क्योंकि माइक ऑन है बच्चों का, तो आप अपने माइक को ऑफ रखें, जब आपसे बोला जाए बच्चों, then you can on your mic. Okay, till that you have to mute yourself. Okay, now what is the range of this transmitter, guys? 1,000 meter. Okay, one means 1 kilometer. And for the drone quadcopter, minimum 6 channel transmitter and receiver required. So अगर आप ड्रोन यूज कर रहे हो तो मिनिमम कितने चैनल, सी देखिए ट्रांसमीटर में क्या होता है, व्हाट हैपन हियर व्हेन यू परचेज द ट्रांसमीटर, इट विल आस्क यू, मोहम्मद प्लीज डोंट यूज योर पेन ऑन द स्क्रीन प्लीज. ओके, सो जो ट्रांसमीटर आप व्हेन यू परचेज अ ट्रांसमीटर फ्रॉम द मार्केट, दे विल आस्क यू हाउ मेनी चैनल्स यू वांट. So you have 6 channels.
सर 6 चैनल ट्रांसमीटर
Like the different channels will be there in the transmitter. Channel in the sense function of the transmitter means like you have, suppose see in the normal drone you have roll, you have to do roll, you have to do rolling. Okay, you have to do yawing. Okay, and what you have to do, you have to do this, what you call pitching. You have to do pitching. Then you have thrust, means sari motors ka speed, every like all the motor speed you have to increase decrease, that is what thrust you can call thrusting. And then you will find out in the Independence Day or Republic Day what will happen. You find out like in the especially when the parade happen, right? So they will they will make different designs by throwing the flowers and colors and at all, right? So that kind of things also can be done with the help of drone. Have you seen some videos where in the night they are making some picture with the help of lights? You know that? Anybody have seen that kind of video?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me show you a video. So that can be done with the help of drone. Like every drone having one particular color. Okay, I'll show you a video how actually it is. So it will be some. I think this is the thing. This is the video. Just give me a minute, guys. Okay, I'll show you a video. Okay, now. Can you see the screen, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All is happening with the help of drone lightning. Okay, I'll show you. I'll play. Just let me share the sound. Can you hear the sound, guys?
Yes, sir.
Just look at it. It's all drones, you know. the sky they are making different patterns. What is this, guys? Can anybody say?
Sir.
Satellite. Satellite.
What satellite it is?
Satellites.
Sir.
It is satellite.
Yes, Navneet.
Sir, International Space Station.
Very good. Very good.
Internet.
UAVs have been used for this. Can you see that on the ground? Okay, now I'll show you one more video that is happened in India in the parade. Okay.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, just I'll take your question. Just- I think yeah, this is the India's one. Okay, so this is the India's one. Okay, can you see the video, guys?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Audio, can you hear the audio?
यस सर
Yes, sir.
हमारे जांबाज
Yes, sir.
और आसमान पर हमारे ड्रोन्स, सैकड़ों ड्रोन्स की परफेक्ट सिंक्रोनी। आज आत्मनिर्भर भारत की इबारत आसमान पर चमकेगी। इस ड्रोन शो के पीछे है आईआईटी दिल्ली का एक युवा स्टार्टअप बॉटलैब डायनेमिक्स, जिसने 6 साल की कड़ी मेहनत के बाद इसे तैयार किया है। इसके फाउंडर मेंबर्स हैं तन्मय, अनुज और डॉक्टर सरिता अहलावत। बॉटलैब की ये टेक्नोलॉजी डिज़ाइन, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, प्रोग्रामिंग पूर्णतया स्वदेशी है।
So let me go
और
forward.
तो जनगण मन सम
नए भारत के
Let
रायसीना
me
की
go forward, guys. Somewhat. Okay. Can you see that, guys? It's started now. Can you see that green
Yes,
color?
sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
There you go. Thanks, yeah. He drill.
साहस, शौर्य और पराक्रम का केसरिया रंग, शांति, सौहार्द, अमन का श्वेत वर्ण, उर्वरता, पवित्रता, समृद्धि की हरित द्युति, ये तीनों जैसे ही एक साथ
all are
आते
drones.
हैं, हर भारतीय के मन में एक जल तरंग सी बज उठती है। फिर चाहे वो भारतवासी दुनिया के किसी भी कोने में क्यों ना बसता हो। भारत ने तो सदा से सारे संसार को अपना परिवार माना है। तभी तो हजारों वर्षों पहले हमारे ऋषियों ने कहा था, वसुधैव कुटुंबकम। अगर हम विश्व की विभिन्न पुरातन संस्कृतियों के इतिहास को देखें तो पाएंगे कुछ खास है कि हस्ती मिटती नहीं हमारी।
What is this?
सदियों
safest,
रहा
guys?
है दुश्मन
Earth.
तो एक हमारा
Very
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा
I'll take your doubt,
सारे
guys. I'll
जहां
take
से
your doubt.
अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा। पर एक देश होता क्या है? क्या कि महात्मा गांधी जैसा बापू महात्मा गांधी जिनके
See
बारे
this
में
pattern.
महान
Can you see this
वैज्ञानिक
pattern,
आइंस्टीन ने
guys?
कहा था, आने
What is
वाली
that?
नस्लें इस बात पर विश्वास ही नहीं करेंगी
महात्मा
महात्मा गांधी
गांधी।
जैसा कोई हार्ड न्यूज का मानना सचमुच कभी था।
Okay, good.
कुर्बानियां दी हैं।
Now, what is
त्याग
this?
चक्र व राष्ट्रीय समर स्मारक
इस नेशनल
जहां
वार्ड
आजादी से अब
मेमोरियल
तक शहीद हुए हर जवान का नाम प्रस्तर पर उकेरा गया है। बीच में स्थित है अमर चक्र, वीरता चक्र, त्याग चक्र व रक्षक चक्र नाम के 4 चक्र जिनके ऊपर शान से खड़ा है निर्भर भारत का उदय। खेती
What is
से
this, guys?
उद्यम तक, शिक्षा से
मेक इन
कारोबार
इंडिया लोगो।
हमारे
Make in
वैज्ञानिक
India logo.
विशेषज्ञ,
Very good.
नवाचारकर्ता अपनी असीम क्षमता के उपयोग से देश में नित नए समाधान देकर
Okay, let me show
राष्ट्र
you
होने के घोर है। जो दूरियां हमने नापी हैं, जो ऊंचाइयां हमने
This we have seen
छुई
many
हैं,
places. आजादी का
आज
अमृत महोत्सव,
उनका
right? Logo, right?
उल्लासपूर्ण
75
उत्सव
years.
हमें मनाना है। और
It's all
आगे
had done in the
एक
sky. You
नए
can see
इंडिया
that with
को
the help of
बनाने के लिए नई उपलब्धियों, सफलताओं, योजनाओं इस ध्रुव तारा है कित आकाश जिसके
Okay, what's
3
now?
रंग सदा
Guys,
हमें
yes,
प्रोत्साहित करते हैं। अनेकता में एकता आगे रहने का मार्ग दिखाते हैं। अपने देश एक समवेत स्वर में कहें,
Fine. So did you understood
Yes, sir.
how
Yes,
in the
sir.
how the
Yes,
drones
sir.
Yes, sir.
like in the future
Sir,
it
but-
will be like going to be used, right? Now it's an application you can see, right? Right. Let's go back to the presentation. Now see how much stability will be, right? See, like one drone is fixed at one place, it is not moving here, there, right? So you know so much of practice, you know, this kind of stability. Okay, now some of you have raised hand. Yes, Ram, boliye. You have doubt. मुकुंद, आपका कोई डाउट है?
यस सर।
हाँ, बोलिए।
सर ये जो ड्रोन होते हैं,
थोड़ा तेज बोलेंगे आप, आपका वॉइस बहुत धीरे आ रहा है मुकुंद।
ओके सर। सर जो ड्रोन होते हैं तो सर वो मतलब ऊपर जाकर आसमान में थोड़ा जाकर दूरी पर सर लाइट वो खुद करते हैं कि नीचे जो उनको ऑपरेट करता है वो करता है लेजर लाइट से?
See, the thing is, there are different ways. One is saying what one drone you can dedicate for one particular light, okay? And the person who is standing at the ground, he will on that light. Means one drone is particularly dedicated for maybe for the single color, like orange color, or maybe for multicolor also. Are you getting? So finally, it is going to operate from the ground only. At what situation, what color you want? So ground person will be operating it. Okay. So now if you want to
Okay, sir.
dedicate one color, the drone will be having one color of light, or it may have the multiple also. Okay.
Yes sir.
But it will be going to operate from the ground. Okay. Navneet,
Sir, once can you tell about the 2.4 gigahertz?
2.4 gigahertz. Let's see, like whenever we talk about wireless communication, here it is what? Wireless, right? Like wireless in the sense like when you talk with someone, like you call to someone, it is wireless communication or wired communication?
Wireless.
Wireless. So when we talk about wireless communication, frequency comes into picture generally. Frequency is nothing but after how much time your thing is going to repeat. You will study about that in science. So here, like this is also operating drone or remote control aircraft. These all like will be emitting the frequency. Now the thing is when two frequency matches, you can control that. So that is what happened. The frequency emitted by the transmitter, like you will be operating, right? So transmitter will be emitting some frequency, and that is going to receive by the receiver, which is fixed in the, like you can see here, this is the receiver in the picture. You can see here, this is receiver. Okay, so this will be fixed in the drone or aircraft, and here it will receive the signal with the frequency 2.4 gigahertz, and that is how it will operate. Okay, so from the remote transmitter, you will give the signal like your drone has to go left or right or forward or backward. Then in terms of signal, it will go to the receiver. From receiver, your data, like whatever the things, it will be going to the brain. And then what will happen? Flight controller will give the instruction to the ESCs, and ESC then will give the instruction to the your motor. And accordingly, what will happen? The speed of the motor is going to reduce and increase. We'll talk about it. Is it clear, guys? So now I was talking about 6 channel. So like that, multiple channels come with the basic transmitter comes with 6 channel. Okay, so like see, from one knob you will get 2 channel, 1 channel 2. Like if you look at here in the transmitter, you have, this is called left and right. With the help of, you can do rolling. See, you have 2 knobs, right, in the transmitter like this, right, isn't it? So now here you have knobs. So this knob can go this direction, this direction, this direction, and back side. So when you take left, right, so generally it depends on, actually your transmitter is 2 types, mode 1 and mode 2. Okay, we'll talk about it. So now what will happen? See, if you go left, it is called roll motion. What is called? Roll motion. Roll right. If you take left side, this knob, it will call roll left. Like suppose if you are taking this knob, this, so it is called roll left. Okay, if it is mode 1, then your throttle will be here. Throttle means what will happen? The speed you can increase and decrease, okay, by taking up and down. And you know, the thing is, normally what will happen, these knobs, if you take left, again automatic it will come back. But in the case of throttle, what will happen? If you take at the top and if you leave there, it will be there only. So it is not a flexible. So throttle. Is it clear? And then here also you have knob. If you take left, right, it is called yawing. It's for yaw. And up and down, it is for pitch. Is it clear?
Yes,
and
sir.
here you have
Yes,
some additional. Here you will be having some additional buttons at the top here. If you look at the picture, in the picture, can you see in the picture some knobs are there at the top?
Yes,
Can you
sir.
see that?
Yes, sir.
This is kind of switch on and off. So like what will happen, you have seen in the helicopters or aircraft when parade is happening, they will throw the flowers and at all, right? Flowers and colors. So what you can do, you can use this for additional functions. These 2. So total how many signal channels you have? 4 will come from the knobs, this main, like yaw, pitch, thrust, and your roll. Okay, and 2 are this extra. So total 6 channels. This is how the 6 channel comes. Is it clear how the 6 channels, guys?
Yes, sir.
channels.
Sir, once
So
can you
like,
repeat it again?
see, the thing is, when you're talking about transmitter, transmitter, the minimum transmitter is 6 channel. Like basic transmitter comes with 6 channel. What do you mean by 6 channel? So it's nothing but how many functions are there, the transmitter. So minimum how many functions we require? 4 is required, right? What is that? In drone or even in aircraft also. What is that? Yaw. Oh, let's first write pitch. So in that you have pitch up, pitch down, up and down, right? Then you have roll. Then you have what? What do you have next? What do you have, guys, next? Yaw and thrust. Means increasing the speed, decreasing the speed. So these are the 4 channels. Channel 1, like that you can do. It will change, okay? Numbering will change. Which will be channel 1, which will be channel 2. That will depend on transmitter mode, like mode 1 and mode 2. And then remaining 2 are extra. See at the top of the transmitter, if you see, there are 2 extra knobs are there. Can you see the red color I marked? Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So these are like a kind of button on and off. These can be used for additional, like suppose if you want to from the height you want to do the raining of flowers and colors, so you can use this channel. So total how many channels are there in this basic transmitter? 6 channels. Okay,
channels.
okay. Now using this
Sir, what is
transmitter,
meant for that pitch roll on the
Channel
words
are
meaning?
yesterday was not there, Namneet.
Yes, sir, I left in middle. I was having network issue.
Okay, you can look at it is recorded lesson is there, but okay, just for your recall.
Okay, sir.
See, the thing is when you have an aircraft, okay, when you are going for takeoff, how the aircraft will be? Aircraft will be like this, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Your aircraft will be when it will take off. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This
Yes,
is
sir.
called pitch. What is this called? Pitch up.
The pitch up and down.
Now, when the aircraft land, how it will be? It will be something like this, right? Isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
This is landing. So this is called pitch down. Pitch
Down.
motion of the aircraft is called pitch up, pitch down. No, इसको बोल सकते हैं nose down also, because इसका जो नाक है वो नीचे की ओर है. Nose down. And this is nose
up.
Nose down. Nose up.
Now,
Nose
मान
up
लीजिए
and down.
if your aircraft is there, it is going straight. It is going straight.
Straight.
And what happen? It has to take turn. So it will take a smooth turn like this. So what will happen? It is going like this. Look at my picture on the screen. Look at me, okay? So it is going like this, and it will turn like this, and it will take turn a smooth turn. Okay? So that kind of thing is called roll. What is called?
Roll.
Roll.
If it is going
Roll.
right, so it is called roll right. If it is going left, it is called roll. What is called? Roll.
Roll left.
Roll left and
Actually,
right.
roll is also called as smooth turning. What is that?
Smooth turning.
Smooth.
Smooth
Turning, because passenger will feel comfortable. And there is something is called yaw. So it is a sudden turning. It is
Yaw.
sudden.
Sudden
Sudden
turning.
turn.
So like it, just for example, if I say you are just riding bike and there is a turn, heavy like curve has come. So what you'll do? What you'll do in the bike when you are taking turn? Anyone having idea what you will do?
Sir,
Sir,
roll.
you turn the handle.
Sir,
You will
roll.
turn the handle. What about the speed?
Will reduce the
Speed
speed.
सर स्पीड थोड़ी कम
We
कर
will
लेंगे
reduce the
turning
speed,
के
right?
लिए। सर हम
So what will
speed
happen?
थोड़ी
So
कम
that is
करके
called,
turn
if you
करेंगे।
reduce the speed, you will able to balance your bike. So that is called smooth turning. And suppose, see, some people don't reduce the speed, they will take the turn and they will successfully do. So that you can say what? Sudden turning. So that is called
सर जब
yaw.
हम साइकिल
Is it clear?
चलाते हैं तो सर जब
Everybody
मोड़ते हैं
clear?
तो ब्रेक लगाते हैं।
Guys, सभी को clear है?
यस सर
Yes,
सर जब हम
Navneet,
साइकिल
is it
चलाते हैं
clear?
सर हम ब्रेक लगाते हैं सर
Yes,
फिर
sir.
टर्न करते हैं।
So,
Yes.
बट हम जब प्लेन में अब अपनी स्पीड को थ्रस्ट को कम कर देंगे और जब उसकी स्पीड कम हो जाएगी तो सर वो स्लो स्पीड स्टॉल कंडीशन में जा सकता है।
नहीं, यहाँ मैंने आपको एग्जांपल दिया. We will not reduce the speed of aircraft. What we'll do? We will bend our ailerons. So what will happen? The same speed it will try to take turn. Because in the air, in the sky, it is not like that, like how on the road. Okay. So we
Okay,
are not going to slow down the speed of the aircraft. We'll just bend the ailerons, and then what will happen? It will bend like this, and it will then they will, for that ailerons will be bare for bending. And then what did they do? Na? They will use the rudder. They will deflect left. So what will happen? It will happen, and accordingly it will take turn. So two surface, when they take a smooth turn, they will deflect two surface, aileron and rudder, both. Rudder is for what? Left and right. And for rolling, it is this aileron. So first they will deflect the aileron. So aircraft, it is going straight, it will bend like this. Then the same time they will deflect the vertical, that rudder. In the backside, vertical tail will be there, right? So suppose it has taken roll right, this one. According to me, this is right. For you, might it is left. Okay. Okay, for you it is left, right? Isn't it? Left
Yes.
की तरफ bent हुआ है. So now what will happen? Rudder backside, the vertical tail, there is a small deflecting part. So pilot will deflect the rudder left side. So what will happen? Aircraft bend it, and it will take the smooth turn like this. Are you getting? And if it is like this, it will go like this. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
यस सर
Perfect. Here, okay, Nam has asked one question has come here. Can we use different frequency of transmission? So generally, when we talk about drones like especially when you are going for this remote control aircraft you are designing, so generally we will be in the range of radio frequency. Okay, what will be that? Radio frequency we can use, but we will try to be in the region of radio frequency, RF frequency. At the beginning of the classes, I told you Remember in the that layout RF. In the satellite also even we have something like what RF setup, right? So radio frequency range. So in the radio range, this frequency actually it comes. Okay. So this transmitter also basically operate in the what? Radio frequency range. Okay. So yeah, it can vary. Okay. This frequency value can vary, but it should be in the range of RF, radio frequency. Okay. Yes. Let's go. Okay, now let's talk about transmitter and receiver. So मैंने आपको क्या बोला था? What I said to you? I told you that transmitter having two modes. How many modes transmitter have, guys? Two modes. Mode 1 and mode 2. Okay. So यहाँ पे देखिए, अब मैं यहाँ पे ट्रांसमीटर बनाता हूँ, ठीक है, स्क्रीन पर दिख रहा है आप सभी को?
Yes, sir.
एक मैं रेड से बनाता हूँ, एक
हाँ।
ब्लैक से बनाता हूँ, ठीक है।
Yes, sir.
नीचे वाला ब्लैक से मैं रिमोट बना रहा हूँ, ठीक है। आई एम मेकिंग द ट्रांसमीटर. Okay. Don't laugh on my drawing. My drawing is not good. Okay. Okay. Now, what happened? What you have actually in the here knobs, right? Which will go up and down and left and right, right? Yes or no, guys? So here you have knob.
Yes, sir.
Here also you have knob. Okay. Now here also you have knob, and here also you have one knob, and this is what your remote will be, something like this. Now, if it is mode 1, so
Mode 1
listen,
and
guys.
sir, niche also mode 2.
Now listen, guys. Actually, we have a numbering. So here, if you have this kind of motion, this is called channel number 1. What is it called? Channel number 1. If you are doing like this,
Channel number 1.
like if you are deflecting, okay, I'll make with different colors. Can you see the pink color?
Yes, sir. Yes,
If you are
sir.
taking your knob like this along the pink color, so that is channel number 1. Okay. If you take your knob like this orange color, can you see the orange color?
Yes, sir.
It means up and down. If you are taking your knob up and down, it is called channel 2. What is this? Channel 2. The same you will be having here also. So now here we have purple color. Okay. So now in the purple color, like if you take that knob left, right, it is called channel number 3. And then we have finally what? Channel number 4. That is what you will take again up and down. Okay. Let me take with green color. Can you see the green color?
Yes,
That
sir.
is channel number 4. So how many channel we have?
Yes, sir.
4 channels.
Sir,
Four
4 channels.
So if it is mode 1, so remember channel number 2. Okay, if it is mode 1, the channel number 2 goes for throttle, means main motor, like increasing all, like you are going like see, the thing is you are not deflecting, you are not taking left, right, smoothly you are going forward, and you have increased your speed. All the 4 motors, the speed you have increased, or maybe you have decreased all the 4 motor speed at a time. If it is tricopter, all the 3 motors. So increasing all the speed, all the motors speed, or all the motors speed you have to reduce. So for that, that is you have to use throttle. So for the mode 1 case, my throttle will be in the channel number where? It will be in channel number 2. You can see here. Can you see that? This table is for mode 1, green one. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
So channel number 2 is what, guys? For controlling the speed of the motor. If you increase, it will go very fast. It will reduce, it will go slow. And channel number 1 for what, guys? Aileron. Means if you take left, right, so aileron will deflect. Channel number 3 is for what, guys? Like purple color. Your knob is going like it is left side, and if you are taking left, right, your elevator will work. What will work, guys? No.
Elevator.
Okay. And then channel number 4 is rudder. Okay. Here, let me just correct myself. Channel number 3 is this one, green one. Which one is channel number 3, guys? Green one.
Green one.
And channel number 4 is purple one. Channel number 4 is what, guys?
Purple one.
Okay. So like if you, so purple one. Okay. So that is for, so channel number is 4 for what?
Rudder.
Rudder. And
Rudder
3 for
for-
elevator. Elevator means it will go up and down. Okay. So here numbering, just a minute, guys. Okay. Now just look at here. Channel number 3 is what, guys? In the mode 1, elevator. Elevator goes and up and down. Let me do the numbering, okay? So here, tell me, in the left side, in the mode 1, like which one? Like green color will be channel number 3 or purple color will be channel number 3. You don't need to muck up. You don't need to remember. Just use your common sense and tell me. You have green color and purple color. 3 is the elevator. Elevator goes up and down. So which should be like preferable for your channel number 3? Green or purple?
Green.
Very good. Who said that green? Okay, so green one will be the channel number 3. And what about purple? Purple will go left and right. And that is the channel number 4. And you know that rudder also what? Rudder also go left, right. So channel number 4 is? So purple one is the 4. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, look at here. On my look at me. So I have a suppose transmitter. So right side, like this side. Okay, like this side, according to you, this is left, which I am shaking the hand. Okay, so like according to you, left side, what you have? Channel number 3 and 4. And right side, this is right side, right? Yes or no?
Yes,
This
sir.
is right side. So now my means for you it is right side, but for me it is left. So like according to you, right side. If you do like this, okay, up and down, it is called channel number what, guys?
3.
1. No, 1. It is right side. I'm talking about right side. Okay.
Okay,
If,
sir.
like, tell me this hand. This hand is left or right for you?
Right.
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 But for me it is left. Okay. So for you, right, and this is left. So in the right side in the mode 1, what you have? In the right side in mode 1, what you have? Channel number 1 and 2, right? Yes or no? Now,
Yes, sir.
when you do like this, what is this? This is aileron or what is there in the right side? Channel 1, 2.
Aileron.
One. Aileron. This is aileron. Now, if I do like this, what is this?
Channel number 2 throttle.
Channel number 1 and 2.
No. This is fine. This is what? Channel 1 or
Channel
channel 2?
number 2 throttle.
Rudder pedal.
No. See, rudder will be in the left side. I'm talking about right side. In the
Sir,
mode 1.
channel number 2.
Aileron.
See, aileron will go up and down, right? So, like, see, it is aileron.
Sir, channel
And it is,
number 2.
what is this? This is throttle. This is channel number 2. This one is channel number what?
2.
No, this one. This is aileron. This is channel number 1. And this one is channel number what? 2.
2.
Now let's come for the left your left side. So now left side in the mode 1. What is this? Channel 3 or channel 4? If I do like this, which motion will happen? Can anybody?
Elevator.
Elevator. Very good. And
Channel number 3.
very good. So this is channel. And what about this?
Rudder.
Rudder. Channel number.
Channel number 4.
So this is mode 1. Okay. Now mode 2, what will happen? Like only 2 and 3 will exchange. 2 and 3 will interchange. Like 2 will become elevator and 3 will become throttle. Means throttle will come left side in the case of mode 2. In mode 1, throttle will be where? Right side. In mode 2, throttle will be where? Left side. Now you will ask, sir, why this left-right throttle? Why not the people have make only one side? So this is for the people, some people having practice of the left-hander. Some are having right-hander. For that only it has made. So mode 2 is basically for left-hander and mode 1 is for basically for whom?
Right-hander.
Right-hander.
So I think most of you can prefer mode 1 because most of you are the right-hander, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it clear to everyone, guys?
Yes, sir.
So transmitter we have mode 1 and mode 2. Okay, fine. So this part is clear, guys. Now you can see channel number 5 and 6. So these are the for additional operation that you can leave now. Okay, PU, आपको कोई doubt है? आपका hand raise है? Yes, PU, आपको कोई doubt है? I don't know this. Guys, can you see this picture? Is it visible to you? I think it is very too blur. So what is written? Can you read in the transmitter mode 1? What is written? Anyone? If you can read.
Component description.
No, what is written here?
Sir, no, it's not proper.
The first one is roll.
दिखाई नहीं दे रहा
If you look at here, it is written roll,
सर मुझे
Yes,
दिखाई दे
sir.
रहा है
throttle. Okay.
सर
Mhm.
और सर दूसरा वाले
And
में
in
And this
fourth,
side is-
there's again
No, it this
yaw,
side it is written pitch. Pitch and
pinch and yaw.
so see
Yaw.
that in the mode 1 case, where is the throttle?
In third,
In the mode 1, throttle is left side or right side?
right side.
right side
Now if you come to the mode 2, just look at it. Throttle will come
Turtle is
left
in
side.
left.
Let me write. Okay, let me make different colors. Okay, let me make red color. Okay, then let me make with pink color. Okay, then you can understand easily. Okay, I am drawing. Okay, so your knob will go like this. Can you see the pink color and red color, guys?
yes sir
Yes.
yes sir
Now same, let me make here yellow and blue. Okay, now you know this is mode 1, which I am drawing the color. This is mode 1. Can you see that it is written? Now what is red color? See, red one is channel 1 or channel 2?
channel 1.
channel 1
Now, okay, tell me, red is what? What motion it is? Roll, pitch, yaw, throttle, what is that? See, red means it is going up and down.
Sir, roll.
No, red is means up and down. So what you will do? If you take high, speed will increase. If you take down, speed will decrease. You know that the right side is the throttle. So now, like this is the throttle or this is the throttle? Tell me, guys. This is the throttle.
this is the throttle
Which one? Red one or pink one?
this is the throttle pink
Red one.
sir pink one is the
Red one
pink
is the
one.
throttle. Red one is the.
Throttle.
throttle
Then what about that pink one, which is going like this?
Roll.
What?
Pink
Aileron.
one is yaw.
Aileron is nothing but roll.
roll
What is that? Roll. Now
But
come for
pink
the
is
yellow
roll.
one. What is the yellow one? It is going up and down. So what is remaining? Roll and throttle. If you do, what is remaining? Pitch and yaw. So yellow one will be what? It is going like this. So it is up and down or left
Pitch.
right?
Pitch.
Yellow one.
up and down
Up and down, sir.
What it should be?
elevator
Elevator.
Pitch. Pitch means elevator. Pitch motion actually comes from the elevator. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now what is the
Yes, sir.
blue one? Then remaining.
yeah
Sir, yaw.
Yaw. And yaw
Sir,
comes
yaw.
from where? Rudder.
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 So this is the configuration of mode 1. Now let's come for the mode 2. Let me draw again. So I'll draw. Okay, mode 2. Mode 2 is the second. It is a see. So mode 1 is for right-handers. Mode 2 is for left-hander. Means your main motor will come in the black. Okay, I'm using purple, less brown color. Then I'm using green color. Yeah, now you only have to tell me. Okay, in the first like mode 1, which will be the channel 1, channel 2, channel 3? That also you have to mention. Can you tell me in the mode 1, which will be the channel 1? Red, pink, yellow, blue. Which will be the channel 1?
Sir, red.
Red is channel 1.
Sir, red. Sir,
Yes,
sir, red is channel 1. Sir,
it is mode 1,
sir,
right?
red is
Look at it.
sir.
Channel 1 is aileron. Look at it. Mode 1 is channel 1 is aileron. So which is aileron? Roll or throttle?
Roll.
Roll.
So this is the channel 1. Pink one is a.
Pink one.
Channel 1.
So you can write that also. Pink one is a CH1. Pink one is CH1. What about
CH1.
throttle? CH.
CH2.
And what about channel 3? Yaw or rudder? Look at it. It is elevator. So which one is?
Elevator.
Which color?
Channel 3.
Sir, yellow.
Yellow is a CH3.
Sir, yellow. Yellow.
And what about blue one?
Sir, blue is channel 4.
CH4.
Sir,
Okay, now you have to
Sir.
tell me for the mode 2. Yes. Anyone asking anything? Anyone asking doubts?
sir,
Who is that?
blue is channel 4.
Yeah, very good. Now let's come for the mode 2. Now tell me, black will be what? Now you only have to tell me channel 1, channel 2, channel 3. So see, now listen.
Channel 1.
Listen, guys. It
Sir,
will be
channel
same as
one.
the, listen, guys, listen. For the mode 2 also, the channel 1, channel 2 is not going to change. Only roll throttle is going to change. So let do the numbering same as it is the first one. So which color is the first one?
Black.
One is black or brown is the first one.
Black is the first.
Black.
The black is the first one.
Look at there. In the
Brown.
roll, we have written roll CH1, pink one. So which one will come? CH1.
Brown.
Brown is the
Brown.
CH1.
The brown.
What about black? CH.
Second one.
CS2.
The CS2.
What about green?
Channel 4. The
Green.
CS. The CS.
Sir,
Look at the
green.
mode 1.
Green
Mode
is
one,
green.
look at yellow. It is green now. So it is CS3. What about this is sky blue?
CH4.
CH4.
The blue is
This,
CH4.
this numbering will be same. Okay. Now tell me, what is brown? Which motion it is?
The roll.
Roll.
It will be roll. It will be same. So brown is a roll. CH1 is a roll. Okay. Now, what about CH2? So I told you only what will happen in this case. Your elevator and throttle will change. So here channel 2 will become elevator. Okay.
Channel 3 is throttle.
Channel 3 is wow, very good.
Throttle.
You all are very intelligent. So channel 3 is
Throttle.
Channel 4 is yaw.
Channel 4 is your.
your motion, and that is actually the like in the aircraft it is rudder, vertical one.
Rudder.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is this part
Okay,
is
sir.
clear, guys? How the transmitter is mode 1, mode 2?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Go to the
sir.
next slide.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let me go to the next slide. Okay, so next is component is GPS, global positioning system. So I already told you, this is a GPS module. You can see here. What is the purpose of GPS? For tracking. So you have three things: longitude, latitude,
Latitude.
and
Latitude.
okay. So here. So here latitude is. See, what is altitude, guys?
There are straight line.
Altitude is a vertical height. Altitude is a
Vertical
Vertical
line.
line.
Vertical line.
vertical means from the ground 90 degree. If you are going vertically, how much height you are? That is the thing. Like suppose if I draw Earth, okay. So you know Earth is like this, right? Now it is making some angle 23 point how much degree it is, like there. It is having some angle. It is like झुकी हुई है, right? So now see from the North Pole, like suppose if I have some person standing here, one person is there or some object is there, okay? Like suppose one like object is there, insan, one person. Now the thing is from the vertical, okay, when you draw a vertical line. So now if you look at here, let me draw a red line. So this is the position of the person, right? Red color, right? Red point. Now from the vertical line, how much angle it is making? From the vertical line, how much angle it is making? Can you see the purple color, guys?
Yes, sir.
So from the, like it is actually north, right? So from the north, or if it is this direction, downward direction, so you can take the south. So now from the north, how much angle, how much degree it is quite away? Like suppose you can say 60 degree. So you will say 60 degree north. 60 degree north.
North.
So that is called latitude. What is this, guys? Latitude. So from the north and south, how much angle? What is your angular position from the north or south? Okay. Now, what is longitude? The same person from the equator, or you can say east or west. From the east and west, how much angle it is? So how will write? You will say like suppose 20 degree east. What will say? 20 degree east. And like it is 20 degrees, so how much it is? Remaining how much? From the north, how much it will be, guys? Can anybody answer?
Sir, 70 degrees.
Very good, because total is 90. So you know whenever you search, okay, so it will come as a like this: 70° north and 20° east. See, if you track anything now, anything, if even you just Google it, what is the longitude and latitude of Delhi? Okay, you will find out like this only. Shall I show to you? It will come like this: 70°
Sir.
north and 20° east. So that is, so what is this 20° north? This is, what is this, guys? Latitude.
Sir, latitude. Latitude.
Means whatever the object is there which you are tracking, that is 70° from the north, and it is making 20° from the east. This is longitude.
Longitude.
Is it clear?
Longitude. Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Yes, Namneet.
sir, why did you draw the two black lines, sir, on down?
No, vertical line, horizontal line, right? Earth means we will
Okay,
divide
okay.
vertically. That is called meridian line, and horizontal is equator,
Yeah.
right?
Okay, okay, sir.
So from the equator, how much angle it is making? That is called longitude. From the meridian line, how much making? That is called latitude. I'll show you. Okay, tell me any one of the city you want to know longitude, or any place in the Delhi, guys. Anyone? Shall we check Agra, Taj Mahal? What is the longitude and latitude of Taj Mahal? Shall we check? Guys,
Yes, sir.
longitude and latitude of Taj Mahal. You can search it. Longitude and latitude of Taj Mahal. You just type on Google, you'll find out. I'll show you.
Is 27.1738.
Anybody
Sir?
find out?
78.042068.
Sir,
Yes.
सर ताजमहल का लॉन्गिट्यूड है 78.042068 और लैटिट्यूड 2710260076.
Okay. Can you see the screen, guys? I shared here. It is written India country. Latitude is how much? 27.17 degree. What is the meaning of this? Means your Taj Mahal is from the what is that? Your vertical line, like from the north. How much degree it is? Almost 30 degrees. And
Yes,
longitude means from the east direction. How much it is? How much, guys?
सर 70
78.042068.
Okay. Now I'll just share the whiteboard and tell you. See, this is how your GPS actually works, guys. I'm just telling you how the GPS works. Okay. So let me just draw Earth. Can you see the Earth? It is not Earth. It is a black planet.
सर वो तो आपने ब्लैक होल बना दिया.
Okay. Abhi okay hai?
Yes, sir.
Now, see, you know Taj Mahal is on the surface of Earth, right? Right? So let me draw. I'll just mark with the red color. Okay. So suppose my Taj Mahal is somewhere. See, where is the India? Let me draw the equator. Okay, first. So I will draw with black color this equator. Okay, like this. Okay. This is equator, and this is meridian line. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So what is this called? This vertical line is called. See, let's mention the direction. This is east. This is west.
West, north,
Guys, please don't write on the screen. West. This is north.
North and south.
This is south.
and south.
Now tell me where Taj Mahal will be.
In north side, sir.
Okay, I'll just mark red point. Means red one, red point direction, pink white direction, yellow color direction, or green color direction. Where it will be? Taj Mahal. In which region?
Red color direction.
Red
Sir,
color.
red direction.
Red color, sir.
It will be
Red
somewhere
color
here.
direction.
Like India will be somewhere here, right?
Run कर रहा
It
हूँ
will be
अपने.
somewhere here.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
So,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
टच नहीं था.
It will be somewhere here, right, guys? Yes or no?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let me just mark it. Okay, so your Taj Mahal will be somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here because Delhi, right? Now just draw one line from the origin. Where is the center? Where is the center, guys? You can see the white color point.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Now from the
sir.
center, we'll draw. We'll join this Taj Mahal and center point. We'll join this Taj Mahal and center point. Now, from the north, how much angle it is making? Now tell me, from the north it is making more, or from the east it is making more? Tell me, guys.
From the east.
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 And you have seen that. So now actually it is coming, you can say. So you see now, longitude is how much, guys? What is the longitude? Longitude is how much? 78 degree something. So you can say 78 degree east. And what about latitude? If I'm right,
27 point.
like here 78 you are taking means it is, if 78 means you are taking 22 will come, because total is how much? Total, no, 78 na? Is it correct? 78?
Yeah, sir.
Longitude to 78 and latitude 27.
So actually latitude, like see, total is how much angle it is, guys? How much
Sir,
it is
90.
total?
90 degree.
Nice. So if we are looking, so latitude is how much it is coming?
27.
27.
22.
It should come 12 degree, I think. Not 28 plus 2. It is 80 plus 90.
Yes, sir,
Okay.
it's 12 degree. Sir, 12 degree.
It should be 12 degree, right? Position of longitude and latitude of Taj Mahal. So you can see it is 27 degree north. What is that?
27
If you
degree
type,
north.
it will come like this only, 27. Okay,
27 degree.
I will check this value, but it is coming 27 degree north and 78 degree east.
East.
Okay, is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
This is how you will track. Yes, Navneet.
Sir, but you told it 12 degrees, but how it is coming?
Yeah,
27
I'll just check that value. Okay, I'll just check because it is in space now. I'll just check. But this part is clear, east and north.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So this is how you can track anything. You can track anything. Now one more thing is there. What is that, guys? Vertical height. Vertical height. Like from here, if we take, it will be 0 because it is on the earth surface, right? It is on the earth surface. Is it into the air? Taj Mahal is into the air, guys.
No, sir.
On the surface. So altitude you can say 0. Okay, is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So that is how your GPS works. Will not go too much deep into that. You might some basic idea of it. So GPS having something called autopilot system. You know what do you mean by autopilot? You have heard this word many times, might be. You know what is autopilot?
Yes, sir.
Autopilot, if it is disturbed, automatic it will get again stable. Like suppose your drone or aircraft had deflected left, so automatic what will happen? It will come back to its original position. So autopilot, that is what, you know, when the aircraft take off, you know what is the job of pilot? You know, like pilot will not work after the takeoff and land. You know, he will simply sit on the chair. You know, the job of the pilot is only during takeoff and landing. Okay, because when it has successfully take off or it is going to land, on the time only pilot has to operate. In between of after the successful takeoff and before that landing, pilot means pilot will not be working. There is a automatic, like what will happen? Activated autopilot system will be activated. That is called cruise flight. That is a totally what the path is already decided. In that path only aircraft has to go. So that is called autopilot system. Okay, that will happen automatic, machine based. Pilot is not going to do anything. Okay, that is called cruise flight. What is it called? Cruise. Okay, let me go to the next. So landing gear, see, when you are landing, it is required, right? Why it is required? Because if landing gear is not there, what will happen? Might your fan propeller can touch to the ground and it can break, right? So to save your especially fan or any accident happen, in order to overcome to that, we have this landing gears. Now this is a circuit diagram, okay, of the drone. Can you see that, guys? Circuit diagram,
Yes,
everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you can see you have a receiver. From the receiver, how many things are coming? See, throttle wire is coming, yaw wire is coming, pitch wire is coming, roll is coming, and power 5 volt. So power for power one wire is coming, and in the receiver from where power is coming. See, I told you yesterday that like ESC will be connected with what? You know, ESC will be connected with what, guys?
Motors.
Sir, motor.
If I tell you just basic, just forget about this. This looks very complicated. If I show you the whiteboard, you know, see, you have ESC, okay?
Yes, sir.
You have
ESC, electronic
ESC.
speed controller.
okay. So now, like, if you are talking about drone, okay, if you are talking about
Drones.
so drone will be something like this, right?
Yes, sir.
So you have 4 motors.
Yes,
Let me
sir.
draw the bigger one. I'll tell you how it is. Okay. It will be something like this. See, you have like this is a center one that is called arms. Okay. What is this called? Frame.
Arms.
Then
Arm.
what is it? This is arms, and center one is what is that?
Frame.
Now here you will put your motherboard and something and at all. Okay. And you have receiver. Okay. You have receiver. You have your motherboard. This is what brain. What is brain in the your drone? Flight.
Flight controller. Flight controller.
That is what motherboard, flight controller. Here you will be having motor, right? Where? Here you will be having motor. There you will be connecting with fans. Like it is quadcopter I am drawing. Okay. Here also. Now, one will be. Just give me a minute, guys. I have a one call. Just give me a minute. Okay, guys. Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what will happen? 4 motors are there, right? How many motors are there, guys?
4.
We will be having for 4 motors. We require 4 ESC. How many ESCs we require?
4 ESC.
So we'll be having 4 ESCs. Okay. We'll be having 4 ESCs. It will be something like this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We have 4 ESCs. Okay. Now, this ESC having 3 wire, like see, actually what will happen when you talk about ESC, I'm drawing here. Okay, guys. So ESC having, you know, total 6 wires. How many wires ESC have?
6 wires.
Inside red, yellow, and if you notice yesterday, what's the third one?
Black.
Black. Now from the other side you have black and red. Black and
Red.
and one small wire will be coming out. One small wire will be coming out, which will be having like 3 wires. That small wire, like it is a very thin. Okay, it will be having 3 wires into that. It may be any color. You can just check. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It will be something like this. So now see how many total wires? 6, right? Now this part, like this, where the 3 wires are there. This is going to connect, you know, with what? This is going to connect. Now your motor also having how many wires? You know,
3 wires.
3 wires. So motor having BLDC motor having 3 wires. The same like that. So here what will happen? This red will connect with red. Yellow will connect with
Yellow.
yellow.
And black
And black will connect with
black.
black. So this is the connection. Okay, now who is controlling the motor? ESC. Who is controlling? ESC. Now here other side ESC 3 wires are coming. No. So now what will happen? This wire which is at the center, which include 3 wires. Okay. So this will go to the
Flight
Where it
controller.
will go, you know, this wire, the center one. I'm just taking as a combine. Okay, like I am taking, okay, just as a, this will go to the where?
Flight controller.
Flight controller. Now what about this black and red? Any idea?
So it is connected to the battery.
So now you have something is called LiPo battery.
Lipo battery.
What do you have?
Lipo battery.
Lipo battery.
Lithium polymer. So this having two wires, one is red, one is
Red.
black. So now what will happen? Black will go with black in the ESC and red will go with
Red.
now what happened? You have given the power with the help of battery. It is going to the ESC. Now what will happen? From ESC it will go to the flight controller. Now again. So now see what is happening here. Actually now all the connection is done. So now this is one connection for what? Guys, this is one connection. How many ESC we have?
4 industries.
We, you know, now the thing is we are using only one battery. How many battery we are using, guys?
One battery.
Sir, one battery.
We are using only one battery. So how many wires connection we can do? Only one connection, right? Red and black, right? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, sir.
But if you look at the, if we have 4 ESC, how many wires we have to connect? 3 plus 3 plus, like 2 plus 2 plus 2. For battery, how many wires will come, guys? 6. See, 4 ESC we have. How many wires will come for the battery? Each ESC having 2 wires for the battery. So for 4, how much it will come? Now we are using only one battery. So 8 wires, how will connect with the LiPo battery? Can you connect it? No. So what you will do? Whatever the 4 wires are coming from the ESC, 4 wires are coming from the ESC. So you have the frame, right? You have the frame. So what will happen? You will be having something is called like electronic circuit where you will connect all this together. Like that is called power module something. So what will happen? Here all the 8 wires, okay? Like how I'm saying, I'm trying to say like I have a one power module. I will be having one power module. What I'll be having, guys? Power.
Power battery.
Now what will happen? All these wires will go to this. Like you will be having something called circuit. So all this will be going here. All will be going here. Means actually this is kept on the this arm only. Okay. Now from this 2 wires will come out. From this 2 wire will come out and that will connect with the battery. Are you getting, guys?
Yes, sir.
See,
Sir,
I have a one small circuit in that all the 8 wires will go and from that 8 they will be connected in such a way that 2 wires will only come out and that will connect with the battery. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now the thing is,
Yes,
see
sir.
guys, what will happen? This whatever the wires are coming from the ESC, that actually going to the receiver. Where it is going? To the receiver. And from the receiver there is some wire is coming which is connected to the flight controller. Now when you will operate from your remote, the signals go to the receiver. From receiver it will go to the flight controller, and flight controller it go to the ESC, and from ESC it will go to the where? See, signals, whatever you are operating, transmitter. From transmitter, what you have done, it will go to the receiver. From receiver, where it will go, guys? It will go to the
Flight controller.
flight controller. From flight controller, where it will go?
EST.
EST, sir.
And from ESC, where it will go?
Lipo.
Lipo.
And this is how your drone will work out. This is the circuit diagram. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir, I have
I
a
think we
doubt.
should stop here. Shall we stop here?
Sir, but I have a doubt.
Yes. I'll come to you out. Okay. So, okay, we have a small topic pending. We'll see tomorrow. Let's stop here. That it will become khichdi, right?
Sir,
Can I continue, guys, or you want me to stop? What are you saying? Because might some of you have to go to classes and at all. Shall I stop here?
Sir, continue.
See, the thing is, we have only few topic pending. One is whatever the UAVs are there in the India, and then application. That is that. That's it. Nothing else. Everything is over. So you can see this is the circuit diagram which I've already explained. See, you have a receiver. From the receiver, how many wires are coming? See, you have a battery. Can you see that? You have a battery. A battery, you have a power supply. From power supply, it is going to the receiver. Now receiver, 5 wires are coming. One is throttle, yaw, pitch, roll, and 5-volt battery. That wire that is going to the, like your, this is flight controller. Which is flight controller, guys? This green color. This is flight controller. In flight controller, these are the things you have. You have GPS, you have compass, barometer, gyroscope, accelerometer. These all will be in the, so this green color which you can see, okay, dull green color, that is flight controller. Now from the flight controller, how many ESC you can see, guys?
4
Can you
ESC.
see that? 4
Sir,
ESC.
four.
ESC connected with the motor, and here you can see one ESC is only connected with the battery. So actually all the ESC having 3 wires that will come like 2 wire that will come together and will make as a 2 wires only. All will be connected with each other and will bring only 2 wires, and that will connect with the battery. And that is how the connection of the drones. Yes, what's your doubt? Anybody was asking doubt?
So what is meant by ESC?
Electronic
Yes, sir,
speed
sir.
controller. So you know that if you want to do roll pitch, you want to move left and right, forward and backward in the drone. So like how you will control? You don't have something like an aircraft elevator, an aileron, and like rudder. So here what you'll do, you'll control the speed of motors. If you reduce, what will happen? The motor for which speed will increase, that part will go up, and the motor for which speed will be reduced, that part will go down. So like that, you will go left, right, and forward and backward. So that can be helped with the help of, that can be done with the help of ESC, electronic speed control, which will control the voltage. So if you send the more voltage, your motor will rotate. RPM will be high. It will rotate very faster. If you send low voltage, it will rotate slowly. That is what ESC do. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Amrit, boliye.
Sir, how to install a camera in drone?
That part, like the thing is, see, in the flight, your flight controller only, you will be having an option of that. There is the slots will be there, different slots. If I show you the picture, okay, let me show. If you see the picture, can you see the picture here?
Yes, sir.
Even in autopilot, you can see number of pins are there, right? Isn't it? Now at present, I cannot say exactly because the thing is, here we have to look which part is. So generally you can see the white color. Can you see the white color knobs are there in the autopilot? So there will be one slot where you can pin it your camera in the flight controller, and then through the wireless, there's some software you can download, and you can through the wireless you can connect to your camera. Okay, so you can see it.
सर इसको हम कैमरा को हम के बोर्ड से कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं?
नहीं, KK board में like it will be very I don't think so, because KK board is a very basic one. Okay, so KK board don't have that much of like application. It's just for the basic. But this autopilot, Pixon, even your NASA like DJI, in this you can, even in Arduino also you can plan for it, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Anyone else having doubt? Okay, no. So
Yeah,
let me
sir.
go and
Sir,
finish
I have
this.
a doubt.
It will.
Sir, I have a
Yes.
doubt.
Yes, boliye.
Sir, is this ESC are connected with each other?
ESC will be connected with?
So time
Each
to go
other.
to tuition.
Sir,
आपका आवाज बहुत स्लो आ रहा है. आपका आवाज, आप थोड़ा माइक के पास में आके बोलेंगे.
Sir, is these ESC
Sir?
are connected with each other?
हाँ, that is what, like see, मैंने बोला ना 4 ESC है. 4 ESC में अगर हम बैटरी की बात करें, हमारे पास एक ही बैटरी है. एक बैटरी में कितने वायर होते हैं? 2 वायर होते हैं जो कि मतलब कनेक्ट होते हैं. अब बैटरी में सिर्फ 2 वायर है, बट हम ESC कितनी यूज करें? हाउ मेनी ESC we are using?
4
ESC. So now the thing is total, like if you are talking about the wire which is going for the connecting the battery, so 2 wires will come from each ESC. So total how many wires will come? 8. So what will happen? We will be having some kind of like circuit where what will happen? All will be connected in series. Okay. और क्रमानुसार उनको जोड़ देंगे, और फिर फाइनली क्या होगा? सारे आपस में जुड़ करके हमें 2 वायर मिल जाएंगे. आपने देखा होगा दीपावली में हम जुगाड़ करते हैं ना, सारे बल्ब को एक साथ जोड़ देते हैं और 2 वायर आकर के उसको हम प्लग कर देते हैं, राइट? वैसे ही मैं कुछ बोल रहा हूँ. इसी तरह से तो फाइनली हमारे 8 वायर क्या हो जाएंगे? आपस में जोड़ देंगे तो 2 में कन्वर्ट हो जाएंगे. वो 2 वायर को हम सोल्डरिंग करके बैटरी से कनेक्ट कर पाएंगे. इस तरह से करते हैं. ठीक है, I'll show you how it happened. तो यहाँ पे देखिए, एक मैं आपको दिखाता, एक मिनट, जस्ट मिनट, I'll show you. Can you see this guys frame?
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पे देखिए, ये जो आपको नीचे दिख रहा है, ये वाला, इसमें होता है एक्चुअली, इसी में ही हम फिक्स करते हैं। ठीक है, ये देखिए, यहाँ पे क्या होगा, हम यहाँ पे सोल्डरिंग करेंगे। आपको दिख रहा है, यहाँ से 2 वायर आएंगे बाहर, ये दिख रहा है आपको बच्चों?
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sir. सर ट्यूशन जाने का टाइम हुआ, सर मैं लीव कर रहा हूँ। So I will leave.
सर गए?
हाँ सर चले गए शायद से, अभी आ जाएंगे।
आ रहे हैं सर अभी?
हाँ अभी आ ही जाएंगे।
हम सर जा चुके हैं।
तो आएंगे सर
नहीं,
कि अब नहीं आएंगे?
नहीं सर अभी आएंगे, क्योंकि सर ने बताया नहीं है, सर ऐसे नहीं करते।
अच्छा, तो आएंगे सर फिर?
हाँ अभी कॉल पिक कर रहे हैं, कॉल पिक करा होगा ना उन्होंने कोई सर।
अच्छा,
2 मिनट वेट करते हैं, एंड अगर 2 मिनट बाद अगर नहीं उठ करा तो फिर एंड कर देंगे।
हाँ
आएगा कल स्कूल?
हाँ
ठीक।
हाँ, बाद में खाऊंगा। क्या भेजा है?
नंदिनी।
Guys, can you hear me?
Yes sir.
Yes
Yes
sir.
sir.
There was a network issue. Okay, I'm just going to wind up the session. तो ये जो मैं आपको फ्रेम दिखा रहा था, I was showing you the frame ना, वहां पर हम क्या करते हैं, we'll just soldering we'll do, and then one common wire will come out, and that is how we do this. Okay, is it clear?
Yes sir. Yes
In this
sir.
palm only we
Sir,
fix.
what is meant by soldering?
Yes,
सोल्डरिंग में आपने देखा होगा ना, दुकानों में जाते होंगे तो वो क्या करते हैं, वायर टूट जाता है तो उसमें कुछ पेस्ट ऐसा मेटल को, उसको वो मतलब कि होता है, उसको पिघला करके फिर सोल्डरिंग कर देते हैं। आपने देखा होगा ना, जब मोबाइल में रिपेयरिंग होती है तो वो लोग हीट करके मेल्ट करके वायर को फिक्स करते हैं, राइट?
होल्डिंग आयरन।
That is the thing. So in the electrical component generally we use this. Okay, so this we have done, this is calibration. Okay, so then after that setup for the flight control, there are some videos, like you have to see. The thing is, finally setup will happen, calibration will happen, means you have to check that when you are operating from the remote, like what you are doing in the remote, the same thing is happening on the drone or not. So that is called calibration. So here what will happen, first you have to on your transmitter and take the throttle at full high speed. Okay, and then what will happen, disconnect your battery, second step, and then with the transmitter throttle stick is high, again disconnect, and then what will happen, reconnect the battery, so you will get a long beep, and that is how your transmitter and then receiver will get connect, and you will be ready to fly. Okay, so these are the some of the pictures which I have done, drones, like one is ornithopter, that is I did as a project, and this is, you can see, this is our own. Okay, we have not yet not purchased the frame and at all. So here it is a balsa wood one, you can see in the bottom one some of the pictures of it, and the first one is the ornithopter. Okay, now the last, we have last 2 slides, then we are going to finish. So India's UAV. Now India, अब हमने काफी सारे drone के बारे में, we have talked about unmanned aerial vehicle, right? So like what is the scope in India? Do India have any drone? Yes. So India having UAV, unmanned aerial vehicle. So first thing is developed by this Hall, DRDO and what is that? DRDO and Defense Research Development Organization, right?
Yes, sir.
So and Hall, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. In the collaboration, they have made two what is that? Drones. One is Lakshya, one is DRDO and Rustam. Okay. So another one is done by AD. Okay, so here AD is the Aeronautical Development Establishment. What is that? AD, Aeronautical Development Establishment. They are working on Fluffy, Pawan and Nishant. These are the some drones which are in India and under the development, you can say. Okay. Next, application of drones. So you can see that it can be used for search and rescue. Like कहीं पे flood आ गया है, या tsunami आ गई है, या भूकंप आ गया है, या you got earthquake. So human cannot go there, right? Because so much of disaster happened. So you can send the drones and you can capture the picture and recording. You can know what is happening over there. Surveillance, same, like military purpose, right? Traffic monitoring, like if you want to track something like traffic, you can send, like if you want, suppose your all the network has collapsed and now you want to check how much traffic is there, like by the road, if you in the city, if you go, you say na so much of traffic, you can send that. Weather monitoring also. Then fire lightning, I shown you at the beginning, like in the parade time they will use that, right? Lightning with the help of. So for advertisement also in future we are going to. Other you can add when you're talking about commercial in the future, whatever you order, it will come by drone. Drone will come to your door and deliver it to you instead of a person. So that is, and then future of drones. So these are the companies you can see, markets of drone, Nokia, Microsoft, US Open. These are the some of the company in future, and at present they have started to use it. Okay. So yes. So conclusion.
Sir, once you can repeat, what do that companies do?
So these are the company, like generally, like see, these are like Nokia. If you talk about what Nokia do, it makes generally mobiles, right? But in future, what will happen? Like Amazon, you can see here. So Amazon, what they will do now? A person comes to your home to deliver your courier. In future, what is going to happen? Even some of the country already started also. They courier by the drone. Drone will come to your address and deliver the package. So that is, so in future companies are going to use the drone, and these are the some of the companies which are working on this areas. Okay.
Sir?
Now conclusion. So new applications. So what is the conclusion? New applications are coming into picture as the work efficiency and tolerance and capacity of drones have surpassed all expectations by introducing some features into the drone which are listed below, like sonar, gimbal, GPS. So these are the some additional features. You know what is sonar? Sound navigation and ranging, right? So sonar basically we use for tracking something, how much distance that particular object is. Gimbal means that controlling, like if you want to do like camera, if you are taking picture. So when you use the drone, it having 4 motors, 3 motors, so much vibration will be there, So when you capture the picture, you're like, see, just take the example. When you are taking a picture from your mobile, so mobile should be fixed or it should be shaking. If it is shaking, your picture will be clear or not? It will not be. It will be clear.
No.
Yes.
It's clear.
It will clear when mobile will shake and you take the picture.
No, sir.
It will be like blur, right? The same happen. Drone, if you are fixing a camera, it will be having so much of vibration because motor is rotating. That will generate so much of vibration. So what will happen if you capture the picture or video? It will be blur. It will not be clear. So in order to overcome to that, we have something called gimbal. So it is like it will like reduce the vibration. It will be very flexible. So you will get the clarity in the pictures and whatever the data is. And GPS, as you know, like to control automatic, to control the automatic. Like you will design some mission, so your drone will go to that place and come back. Human involvement is not required. Human involvement is only required at the beginning, at the last. That's it. In between, not required. It will go to the place and come back. Like suppose in future, what will happen? Suppose some person got accident on the road and it is required a blood. Now, like nearby hospital, blood is not there, or maybe it is there, but so much of traffic. So if blood is coming by ambulance, what will happen? It may take time because of the traffic. So what will happen in some of the movie, if you have seen that, I don't know which movie is, in that he will use the drone, like one person will get accident on the road and so much traffic was there, so ambulance cannot come and blood cannot come via road. So what he do, he will use his drone, and like what, it will fly and it will go to that place, and it will deliver to the blood to that particular person, and what, that life will be saved. So that is what in future can happen. So that is the thing. So with this, our this drone part is over. So now question answer session. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, we'll meet tomorrow.
Sir,
Yes, Namni. You can raise
Sir,
your hand,
what-
guys.
what does gimbal mean?
See, gimbal means like, see, agar, if you take the picture from your mobile, if your hand is taking and you are taking picture will come clear
No,
from your
sir.
mobile? It will be
No,
blur,
sir.
right? It will not clear. So you have to very fix. You have to. So you have seen like nowadays vlogs, right? In the YouTube, many people they upload the blogs, right? Vlogs, right?
Yes,
What
sir.
they do? They will handle the mobile like this and record the video, what they are doing, what they are eating, and at all. They will just introduce in the video. On YouTube, you will find out many of the people doing vlogs. So now they have to handle what? Mobile. Now always if you are handling that, video clarity will not be there. So they have something is called tripod, something like that. So that is actually kind of gimbal only, to give the clarity. So the same thing in drone, you have so many motors. When it is rotating, it will generate so much of vibration. Because of that vibration, if any camera is fixed, picture will not be clear. So in order to get the clear picture and overcome to this vibration, we have something is called gimbal, which will give the flexibility. That will not allow camera to observe that vibration, and camera will give the clarity of the picture and video. Is it clear?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Namni? Yes?
sir,
Yes, sir.
हाँ, बोलिए
सर
बोलिए बोलिए
जैसे ड्रोन के बाकी
राम, आपकी आवाज बहुत धीरे आ रही है, आप थोड़ा माइक के पास में आके बोलेंगे।
सर
हाँ बोलिए।
सर हम जैसे कि दिल्ली में है तो हम लखनऊ में भी कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं उसको ड्रोन को।
पीहू, आपकी आवाज भी बहुत स्लो आ रही है, आप थोड़ा पास में आकर के बोलिए या तेज बोलिए।
सर जैसे हम दिल्ली में है तो हम लखनऊ में भी कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं ड्रोन को।
तो मैंने बोला इसका रेंज क्या है, 1 किलोमीटर। इट डिपेंड ऑन द रेंज ऑफ द ट्रांसमीटर एंड रिसीवर. सो जनरली 2.4 giga which I shown, the range is 1 kilometer. So you can operate into the 1 kilometer range, height, length, width. बट उतना भी हम नहीं जाते हैं, क्योंकि अगर 1 किलोमीटर जाएंगे तो ड्रोन हमें दिखाई नहीं देगा, राइट? बट इफ इट इज ऑटो पायलट वी कैन ऑपरेट इट, बट देयर इज अ रेंज, इज डिपेंड ऑन द रेंज ऑफ इट. सो लखनऊ एंड अब अगर आप बोलोगे लखनऊ दिल्ली तो कितना बहुत दूर है, so you cannot do that. Okay, like within 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer like this. Okay
सर,
हाँ बोलिए।
सर हम इसे कितना दूर तक वो कर सकते हैं, एक्टिवेट कितना दूर तक कर सकते हैं अभी से?
That is what I'm saying. 1 kilometer, like it depend on your transmitter. आपका जो रिमोट होता है उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा उसकी रेंज क्या है. तो जो मैंने दिखाया उसमें आप 1 किलोमीटर तक जा सकते हो.
सर अगर
1 किलोमीटर लेंथ, 1 किलोमीटर विड्थ, 1 किलोमीटर हाइट.
तक हो सकता है?
क्या बोल रहे हैं
सर अगर रेंज अच्छी रहेगी तो कितने किलोमीटर तक हो सकता है?
See, generally what I have used, that having the 1 kilometer. Okay, it depend on, it may vary. I cannot say the number.
ओके सर.
Yes
सर
मुकुंद बोलिए.
सर व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ चैनल नंबर 5 फ्लाइट?
सी चैनल नंबर 5 में मान लीजिए आपको ड्रोन है, आप ड्रोन उड़ा रहे हैं, ठीक है ना. अब उसमें क्या किया, आपको कैमरा ऑन करना है, ऑफ करना है, रिकॉर्डिंग करना है. तो उसके लिए कैसे करेंगे आप? तो उसको आप यूज कर सकते हैं. ऑन कर दिया चैनल 5 तो रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट हो गई, ऑफ कर दिया तो क्या हो गया, ऑफ हो गई. और चैनल नंबर 6 उसी टाइम पे मान लीजिए आपने कुछ फूल रखे हैं, आपको किसी को वेलकम करना है ड्रोन के थ्रू, तो आप एक नीचे बॉक्स लगा देंगे. यू विल फिक्स अ बॉक्स बिलो द ड्रोन, एंड व्हेन दैट पर्सन विल कम, so what will happen, there is a small door. Okay, that box will be full of flowers. Okay, now when you on the channel number 6 or 5 on, so that door will open automatically because of the gravity. What will happen, color and flower will fall down, and that is what the welcome is. So that is for additional function we use. Even for bomb dropping also, missiles and bomb dropping.
Sir, what is the use of channel number 6?
That is what channel 5 and 6 are the additional features. Whatever additional feature you want to do, you can do. There is no fix, like channel 6 will use for this only. That's your choice, for what you want to use. Okay, so I told you, like suppose if you want to welcome someone, you want somebody is coming, so flower will from the drone it will fall. So you fix one box. आप एक बॉक्स फिक्स कर दिए नीचे ड्रोन के, और उसमें ऑन वो जो 6 नंबर है या 5 नंबर है उसको ऑन स्विच ऑन ऑफ की तरह यूज करिए। जब ऑन करेंगे तो एक छोटा सा दरवाजा खुल जाएगा, मतलब कि अंदर डब्बे में कोई मैकेनिज्म होगा आपका मोटर का, वो खोल देगा, तो सारे के सारे फूल क्या हो जाएंगे, नीचे गिर जाएंगे।
मोटर लगी
इस
होगी।
तरह से यूज कर सकते हैं आप, ठीक है। अमृत बोलिए।
सर हमने फॉर एग्जांपल के लिए अभी के लिए एक ड्रोन हमने मेक कर लिया, तो सर उस ड्रोन को मेक करने के बाद हम उसमें पेलोड उठाना चाहे तो सर वो कितना पेलोड उठा सकता है नॉर्मल ड्रोन?
So it's depend on the motor. See, when you purchase the motor, na, it's all depend on the how much motor it can carry the payload. So generally, like when you purchase a motor, it will ask you how much thrust motor it is, like 1 kilonewton of thrust, okay, or 1 kg of thrust. So like if 4 motors, so how much it can carry? One motor 1 kg means to 4 motor how much? 4 kg,
4
right?
kg.
So 4 kg means you can carry up to 2 kg like that. Is it clear?
सर एक क्वेश्चन और है।
हाँ बोलिए।
जैसे कि जो मिलिट्री के जो ड्रोन्स होते हैं, मतलब वो ड्रोन्स नहीं जो कि स्पाई करते हैं, वो ड्रोन्स जो कि जैसे कि कोई ऐसे वॉर की सिचुएशन में कोई मटेरियल लेके जा रहे हो किसी एनिमी कंट्री मारने के लिए, तो उन ड्रोन्स के पीछे केवल एक ही प्रोपेलर लगा होता है, तो सर वो कैसे फ्लाई करते हैं?
See the thing is, वो एक्चुअली क्या, आप कौन सा ड्रोन बोले हैं मेरे को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है। ड्रोन्स में एक्चुअली द थिंग इज, वो जो एक प्रोपेलर वाला होता है सिंगल कॉप्टर होता है, ठीक है ना। उसमें क्या होगा, सिंगल कॉप्टर की बोले तो उसमें हमारा ऑर्निथॉप्टर भी आता है, एंड आई डोंट नो विच यू आर सेइंग, वेयर यू हैव सीन दैट, इफ यू कैन शो मी द पिक्चर ऑफ इट इन ग्रुप, you can send me that, okay, then I can explain you better. But if it is a single propeller, it is like a aircraft. एयरक्राफ्ट में देखा है आपने, आपका हेलीकॉप्टर देखा है आपने, हेलीकॉप्टर में कितने प्रोपेलर होते हैं?
7
कितने होते हैं हेलीकॉप्टर में? अमृत? 2 होते हैं, एक पीछे होता है छोटा सा होता है, उसको नेग्लेक्ट कर सकते हैं। तो बड़ा वाला एक मेन प्रोपेलर होता है टॉप पर, राइट,
उस जो मैंने
जो टेक ऑफ के लिए होता है, वर्टिकल टेक ऑफ एंड लैंडिंग के लिए, राइट, VTOL के लिए। तो इसमें क्या होता है, जिसमें एक प्रोपेलर होता है ना, तो उसमें हम क्या करते हैं, जनरली ड्रोन में एक प्रोपेलर नहीं होगा, ठीक है ना, 2 होने ही चाहिए मिनिमम। अब अगर एक है तो उसको क्या होगा, उसके लिए जैसे वो हेलीकॉप्टर की तरह होगा, समझ रहे हो आप। इवन हेलीकॉप्टर में भी 2 प्रोपेलर होते हैं, एक तो ऐसे लगा होता है ऊपर, मेन रोटर होता है, काफी बड़ा होता है, और एक पीछे होता है टेल जो वर्टिकल होता है, क्योंकि जब प्रोपेलर ऐसे रोटेट करेगा ना, तो क्या होगा, पूरी बॉडी रोटेट करने लगेगी, तो उसको काउंटर बैलेंस करने के लिए हेलीकॉप्टर में एक पीछे छोटा पंखा लगा होता है, तो उसके कारण जो पायलट जिसमें बैठता है ना, वो बॉडी जिसको फ्यूजलाज बोलते हैं हम, वो रोटेट नहीं कर पाती है, ठीक है। तो मिनिमम हमें चाहिए होते हैं 2 प्रोपेलर। By the way, you can send me that picture if you have seen that. I can explain well, right, Amrit?
सर
Yes, Nandini, बोलिए।
एक्चुअली आई टेल अबाउट
हाँ अमृत, किसके बारे में बोले थे? नंदिनी 1 मिनट होल्ड करिए, लेट अमृत कंप्लीट। यस अमृत बोलिए।
गूगल में सर्च करा, मैं फाइटर ड्रोन्स की बात कर रहा था।
फाइटर ड्रोन, इवन ड्रोन्स, वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ, अगर आपके ड्रोन्स भी होंगे ना, तो वो आप फिर आपने वो देखा होगा, ड्रोन नहीं है वो आपका क्या होगा, ऐसा हेलीकॉप्टर टाइप में या एयरक्राफ्ट में है, क्योंकि एयरक्राफ्ट में ही आपका एक फैन होता है, ठीक है ना। एक फैन से आप कैसे ड्रोन को कंट्रोल करेंगे? आई डोंट थिंक, आई हैव नॉट सीन सच काइंड ऑफ ड्रोन।
सर मैंने गूगल में भी उसकी इमेज सर्च करी, तो सर उसकी जो स्ट्रक्चर है वो एयरक्राफ्ट की तरह है।
That is what, that is comes as a aircraft, not as a drone, okay. Single rotor drone you are saying. Let me check the picture how it is. वो देखिए हेलीकॉप्टर आ रहा है मेरे को, मैं सर्च कर रहा हूँ, सिंगल रोटर ड्रोन डाल रहा हूँ, हेलीकॉप्टर आ रहा है मेरे को।
तो फाइटर ड्रोन सर्च करिए।
ओके, सिंगल रोटर फाइटर ड्रोन, राइट,
या
इसमें भी वही सेम आ रहा है
सर, ओनली फाइटर ड्रोन्स।
सिंगल में it will be very complicated, you know, fighter drones. ये ओके, ये आपका ग्लाइडर होता है, जो मेरा पिक्चर अभी मेरे पास आ रहा है ना, इसको बोलते हैं अनमैन्ड कॉम्बैट एरियल व्हीकल, राइट, UCAV, राइट।
यस यस।
ये पता है, इसमें जो एक प्रोपेलर है पीछे की ओर लगा है ना, वो आपका एक्चुअली हवाई जहाज हो गया, वो ड्रोन नहीं हुआ, क्या हुआ, हवाई जहाज एक तरह से। उसमें क्या होता है, ये जो प्रोपेलर होता है ये सिर्फ क्या करता है, आगे ले जाने के लिए होता है, मतलब कि जहाज आगे कैसे जाएगा, समझ है, मतलब कि एज अ मेन इंजन में जैसे हवाई जहाज में ऐसे लगा होता है ना, आप देखेंगे जिसमें सिंगल है उसमें इस तरीके से लगा होगा, जैसे ड्रोन में लगा तो वैसे नहीं होगा, ऐसे वर्टिकल होगा, तो वो हवा पीछे फेंकेगा तो उसके कारण वो तेजी से आगे जाएगा, राइट। तो आगे जाने के लिए होता है वो। तो एक्चुअली आपका क्या होगा, ड्रोन एक तरह से ड्रोन नहीं होगा वो, ठीक है।
ओके सर।
उसमें देखिए ड्रोन क्या होता है, अनमैन्ड एरियल व्हीकल है ना। तो यहाँ पे अगर हम यहाँ पे बात करें इसमें भी, तो इसमें ये एग्जैक्टली लुक्स लाइक अ एयरक्राफ्ट। अगर आप देखें इसमें दिख रहा है आपको, अनमैन्ड कॉम्बैट एयर व्हीकल है जो मैंने अभी खोला है यहाँ पे, ठीक है। ठीक है अमृत।
यस सर, थैंक यू।
थैंक यू।
हाँ बोलिए नंदिनी।
सर हमें ड्रोन को कितना ऊंचा उड़ा सकते हैं?
वो मैंने बताया ना आपको 1 किलो में, ये आपके ट्रांसमीटर रिमोट के ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा। तो जो मैंने रिमोट दिखाया उसमें 1 किलोमीटर हाइट जा सकते हो, 1 किलोमीटर लेंथ जा सकते हो, 1 किलोमीटर ब्रिथ जा सकते हो। बट हम उतना जाते नहीं, क्योंकि उतनी ऊंचाई पे दोगे तो आपको ड्रोन दिखाई नहीं देगा। यस नो?
यस सर।
यस सर।
सर
बट ड्रोन जनरली ऑटोनॉमस ऑपरेट होते हैं, तो आपको देखने की भी जरूरत नहीं है, वो अपना काम करके वापस आ जाएंगे। वो ऐसा पाथ, उसका ऑटो पायलट हमने बोला ना, ऑटो पायलट में हम क्या करते हैं, एक पाथ हम बना देते हैं, इस रास्ते को फॉलो करना है और अपना काम क्या काम करना है वो दे दिया जाता है, वो करके उस रास्ते को फॉलो करके काम करके वो दैट विल कम बैक टू द ओरिजिनल पोजीशन। सो देयर ह्यूमंस आर नॉट रिक्वायर्ड एक्चुअली। ओके
ओके सर।
ओके सर। अच्छा चल।
एनीवन हैविंग एनी अदर डाउट?
You can see this.
Okay, so that is what for today, guys. Okay, then we'll meet you tomorrow, and tomorrow we'll be going to start rocket part. Okay,
ओके
we're going to
सर।
start satellite launch vehicle SLV. Okay, and tomorrow you will be having might a surprise quiz also, so please be ready for it. Okay,
ओके सर।
सर आपने कल क्लास क्यों नहीं ली थी?
कल क्लास क्यों नहीं ली थी? कल क्लास हुई थी।
सर हुई
कल क्लास
थी
नहीं ली थी मैंने।
सर, हुई थी, ली थी आपने क्लास।
So who have missed the classes, they can check it. It is available on YouTube. Okay, recording is available. You can watch it. So
Okay,
who don't
sir.
know where is it is? I
Excuse
think
me,
किस
sir.
नाम
you can
सर
talk to
हमें
your
लिंक नहीं
ma'am
मिला था।
or in the group that
सर किस
whatever.
नाम से अवेलेबल है यूट्यूब पे?
नहीं आप क्या करेंगे ना, जो आपको लिंक जहाँ से मिल रहा है ना, मैम भेज रहे होंगे ना, वहाँ पे YouTube का लिंक मेंशन है, उस लिंक पे क्लिक करेंगे तो आप डायरेक्ट चले जाओगे, वहां से आपको YouTube चैनल का मिल जाएगा। ओके लुकिए मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ एक बार।
ओके सर।
आप डालेंगे कीप लर्निंग हैप्पी टेलिंग। क्या डालना है आपको बच्चों? कीप लर्निंग हैप्पी लर्निंग डालेंगे
Learning.
तो आपको आ जाएगा। दिस इज द थिंग, वेट आई विल ओपन इट, आई विल शो यू, और यू कैन गेट द लिंक आल्सो। लिंक हैज ऑलरेडी been shared. Can you see the screen, guys?
यस सर।
You can see the name. This is the name. Okay, so you can see the session is going live here. Okay guys, so that is what for today. I hope that you have enjoyed that session, today's session, and we'll meet you tomorrow. Anybody have yes Isba, boliye.
नो
Sir, I'm asking for that. I have talked to you for Inspire Award also.
That I will talk separately. Okay, after this
Okay.
meeting, you just call me. Okay, okay Isba, I'll talk to you.
Okay, sir, sure.
Okay guys, then have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Same time.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.